Welcome to Kitchen Adventures. Today we are gonna make chocolate walnut cake. This is a classic recipe made with very few ingredients. To make the chocolate walnut cake, mix 1 cup of butter with 2 cups of powdered sugar. Mix until the sugar dissolves in the butter. Add 4 eggs and 4 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Continue mixing until it is all well combined. We are looking for a very smooth batter. Moving over to the dry ingredients, I have got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, to which I am adding 3/4 cups of cocoa powder and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix together until it is very well combined. Now add this dry flour to the wet batter in batches and mix using cut and fold technique. Using this technique will ensure incorporation of air in the batter and will make the cake soft and fluffy. Take a cup of walnut and coarsely grind it. Add to the batter and mix using the cut and fold technique. Our cake batter is now prepared. Grease your cake tin with a small blob of butter. Add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and dust it, covering all sides uniformly. Any extra flour can be dusted off. Now the cake tin is ready for the batter. Pour the batter and spread it evenly using the tap method. Tap it gently. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes. Cake is now ready as the edges have loosened. Use a knife to loosen the edges further and gently tap it to a dish. Use a clean and dry plate to receive the cake. Now take half a cup of Nutella and apply it evenly on top of the cake. You may use any other chocolate spread of your choice. The nuttiness of the walnut combined with the smoothness of the chocolate makes this cake a suitable indulgence for all occasions. Chocolate walnut cake is now ready to be served. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like my recipes.